Hi, I'm Keith, founder and general manager of Tuck. Today we'll be reviewing the Aurora mattress from Brooklyn Bedding. As one of their top-of-the-line models, it has an impressive construction and unique cooling story, but how does it stack up against Tuck's rigorous testing? Watch to find out. Testing the mattress today, we have our lightweight sleeper Rachel, our average weight sleeper Jim, and our heavyweight sleeper Neil. Setting up the Brooklyn Bedding Aurora mattress is pretty easy, but we do recommend enlisting a helper. Even though the mattress comes compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unbox and unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Full recovery should happen within the first 5 to 6 hours. The Brooklyn Bedding Aurora mattress is a 13.5-inch hybrid mattress. The cover is made from cotton with a quilted polyfoam and features a phase change material that is cool to the touch. The comfort layers consist of 1.5 inches of copper-infused Energex foam, 2 inches of tightened flex foam, which has a feel similar to latex, and 1 inch of gel memory foam. The support core is composed of 8 inches of individually pocketed coils with quantum edge support and 1 inch of high-density polyfoam beneath. The feel of a mattress is largely determined by its firmness and construction. This tends to be fairly uniform across each mattress type. The Brooklyn Bedding Aurora mattress has 3 firmness options: soft, medium, and firm. Today, we are looking at the medium option, which is about a 5.5 on the firmness scale, while the soft is about a 3.5 and the firm is about a 7.5. The Brooklyn Bedding Aurora mattress is responsive, yet conforming due to the quantity of premium foams in its comfort layers, which makes it slightly more conforming across each firmness level compared to its other hybrid competitors. Mattress support is defined as spinal alignment. For this test, we will look at how well each of our sleepers' spines are kept in alignment when lying on their side. Our testing found the Brooklyn Bedding Aurora offers very good support across all sleeper weights, though we recommend the firmest option for heavier weight sleepers. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion. This is important for co-sleepers so you don't feel your partner's movements across the surface of the bed. We found the Brooklyn Bedding Aurora exhibited very good motion isolation as the multiple comfort layers combined with the pocketed coil support core work together well to absorb and reduce motion. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support are harder to get in and out of and can leave sleepers with the feeling of roll-off, which is akin to the mattress ejecting the sleeper. We found that the hybrid construction of the Aurora offers very good edge support. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increasing amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the Brooklyn Bedding Aurora mattress offers very good pressure relief across all sleeper types and weights. Though lighter weight sleepers should consider the medium or soft option, and heavier sleepers should consider the firmest option. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. Our testing found the Aurora to have excellent temperature neutrality with great airflow through the coil's premium foams and especially cooling cover. Now, let's review how the Brooklyn Bedding Aurora stacked up in our mattress testing. This hybrid mattress has been rated very good for support and motion isolation. It also tested well in edge support and pressure relief, earning very good ratings. Another standout feature of the Brooklyn Bedding Aurora is the excellent rating for temperature neutrality. Those who prefer a traditional memory foam or all latex mattress might not appreciate the hybrid feel of coils in the support core that the Aurora offers. The cooling cover is a standout feature of the Aurora, but also makes it a bit slippery when dealing with sheets and mattress protectors. We recommend the Aurora for couples, hot sleepers, and those who like to choose their firmness. The three options really allow you to pick a mattress that works for you. For those considering the Brooklyn Bedding Aurora, it comes with a 120-night trial period in which you can safely try the mattress for up to 120 nights to ensure it's the right fit. Additionally, the mattress ships for free for standard orders and comes with a 10-year warranty. For up-to-date pricing and discounts available exclusively for Tuck followers, check out the description below or visit the written review on tuck.com. That's it for this review. If you found this helpful, please give us a like or subscribe to our channel below. Visit tuck.com for the full written review and to continue your sleep search. If you'd like a personalized recommendation from one of our team, comment below the video and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Sleep well.